In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over with a 1080p video projector, and I just want y'all to check this thing out real quick. Let me just kind of go over some of the specs. It's a 1080p, and whatever a keystone means, meaning I guess that means it tilts like that. It's got a hi-fi speaker. This has a speaker built into it. It's got a large screen. It can go really wide on the screen. I have a 72-inch screen that I'm going to be using it on. The power supply is a AC, you know, just a normal 110 outlet. Let me open it up and show y'all exactly what you get in the box. Number one, very nicely packaged here. I have had this thing out and using it, so I know that it works. You get this thing right here. You get a padding for the top and then pulling it out. I think that's all that's in there. Right here is a set of instructions, which is a very thick book of instructions, but I have used it and kind of went over it, so I know. That's why the cord, you get the AC cord right there. It has a 3.5 millimeter plug-in port right there. You get a remote with this thing. It came with no batteries. You're going to have to put your own batteries in it. It's AAA batteries that you're going to use for it. And this right here is a HDMI cable. I will not be needing the HDMI cable. And then this is the unit itself. Check this thing out. So looking over the unit itself, it comes with a screen protector or a lens protector cover there. There's the speaker that comes out right there. This is an adjustment for that keystone for tilting forward and back, and that's to get the focus right. So when you do that, you got to take that off, but when you do this, that's the focus. You can see how it goes in and out for the focus. And then you got the power on, the Wi-Fi, and then that's going to sort through the menus, and these are all menu options. And on the out is a USB-A input, and I will show you because you know why. That's what the iPhone uses with. So you got to use your iPhone, has to be plugged in right there. You get the AV in, headphone jack, a HDMI in, and an HDMI in, and another USB. I do have a tripod fitting that I'm going to use for it because on the bottom you get this little adjustment screw here that can kind of lift it up and down on a table, and that's what that does. And then this right here I'm going to put on there like this so y'all can see I've got it mounted on a tripod. I'm going to mount a screen on this wall, and I'm going to show you an outdoor kind of screening, so that way I'll be able to go over this tonight. So let's go ahead and let's cut over to the night and let's see what it looks like when it's at nighttime, and let's see how well this thing works. So let's do that now. All right, here it is, everybody. I got it hooked up. You can see it outside here. That is on the side of a shed that I have outside. Look how crystal clear that is. So I have the Blue Yeti power bank, and this is what I'm running it off of, and it'll give me a good solid 4 or 5 hours of runtime. I have my cell phone hooked up right here through the USB. You want to hook to the Wi-Fi and then run a USB through the cell phone. So I don't need a laptop, I don't need a DVD player or anything like that, but you can run it through an HDMI port right here. I'm just using my cell phone, and this is just a movie off of YouTube or Hulu. You can run either one off of here, and you could see it shining right here. You can see my hand going in front of it, but look how crystal clear that is. This is something I highly recommend for someone that's just wanting to do some outdoor barbecuing, maybe watch a ball game, maybe watch a movie and just hang out. I'm going to put my hammock out here and then build a fire, and I can just hang out outside and watch a movie. So yeah, how cool is that, everybody? That's all I got today on the digital 1080p projector. See you guys in the next video. Woo!